It's time now for Legal Lines Tips with your host, Locke Meredith.
Hello, I'm Locke Meredith, and I have a Legal Lines tip for you. Remember, knowledge is power. And I want you to know if you're injured somehow and you've incurred a ton of medical expenses and you don't know how you're going to pay them, there may be multiple sources for you to pay those bills. Of course, for example, if you're injured in a car wreck, you hope the person who hit you has insurance and they're going to pay you medical expenses. That usually doesn't happen quickly. So you're going to have to look to maybe health insurance, or if you're injured in the course and scope of your employment, say you were in an employer's vehicle when you were a kid, there may be workers' compensation insurance. There may also be what's called MedPay insurance. And finally, if you're on Medicare and Medicaid, the federal government might pay those medical expenses. However, whatever they pay, they're going to try and get back from any claim that you present against the party at fault. So my Legal Lines tip from me, Locke Meredith, to you is if you got a lot of medical expenses, you may have a lot of ways to pay for them.
This has been Legal Lines Tips with your host, Locke Meredith.